Do you need to create an instructional video but absolutely hate being in front of the camera? Maybe you blink too much, or stare at the wrong bit of the lens, or just can't face putting on mascara and pretending to be enthusiastic about your own sales pitch for the 4th time this week. If any of that sounds familiar, don't worry, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to create a talking AI avatar of yourself or a character using a free tool inside Canva. No filming, no editing, no awkward lighting, just a photo, a script and a few clicks. And boom, you've got a slick on-brand video where your digital twin does the talking for you. Perfect for social media explainers, email content, sales intros, course modules, or just turning up online when you'd rather stay in pajamas. Now, quick disclaimer, I do have a Canva Pro account, but good news, this works with Canva Free too. The app you'll be using is called HeyGen AI Avatars, and it gives you 3 free avatar videos per month on their starter plan. That's 3 fully animated videos, each up to 3 minutes long. So here's how to do it. Step 1, open your Canva account, click on Apps and search for HeyGen AI Avatars. If it's your first time, you'll need to connect your HeyGen account or set one up. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, upload a front-facing photo. Clear, well lit and human looking. No duck faces, no cartoon filters, just something your clients won't be scared of. Then type your script, like this one. Could be a welcome message, a how-to tip, a service explainer, anything you'd normally say on camera if you weren't busy hiding from your camera. Next, choose a voice. HeyGen gives you loads, different accents, tones, even personalities. Pick one that fits your audience or just one that sounds like you but slightly more polished and alert. Now, because you're already in Canva, you can style it up, add your brand colors, logos, a background, whatever you like. Click Generate Video and that's it. You've just created a fully animated talking head video. Honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to create content. If this was helpful, and I've earned it, click like, hit subscribe and check out my other tutorials for more time-saving content hacks, AI shortcuts and clever ways to look put together without actually being put together. See you in the next one before I run out of free credits.